Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel On The Mauve. My name is Faye Marie. In today's tutorial, I wanted to create something fun and something different for the holidays. So I landed with this really cool purple shimmer look that I created using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and some of her mini obsessions palettes. If you guys like this look and you want to create this at home, keep on watching. I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown and a dual-ended eyebrow brush. Lastly, I'm going to set my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So I've already primed my eyes using some concealer and some eyeshadow primer. So now I'm going to move on to applying the colors. The first palette I'm going to use is the Huda Beauty Mini Obsessions palette, and this is the warm brown palette. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this really pretty matte tan shade, and I'm going to apply this to my crease. Now that I've shaped my eyes using that neutral shade, I'm going to go in with this darker berry matte shade and apply this a little bit closer to my crease. The next shade I'm going to use, also from the Warm Brown Mini Obsessions palette, is going to be this plum matte shade, and I'm going to use an even smaller blending brush and apply this to the outer corner of my eyes. Now that I'm finished building those transition shades, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to take the shade Amethyst, which is a really nice purple color. Now I'm going to go on top of that Amethyst shade using this Twilight shade. Next, I'm going to apply this NYX Lilac Shimmer Pigment on the inner corners of my eyes and underneath my eyebrows for a little bit of extra pop. Okay, now I'm going to go in and finish off my eyes with some liner and lashes, and then we'll come back and finish off the face. I'm going to start off by applying the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Beige. For foundation, I'm going to take the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade True Beige. I'm going to finish off the eyes by mixing both the plum shade and the berry shade that we used previously on the eyes and applying this to my lower lash line. I'm going to go in and contour using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. For blush today, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and I'm going to be mixing the shades Blank and Cash. And now for highlight, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter, one of my faves. I'm going to top that off with the Huda Beauty Cream Lipstick in the shade SheEO. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.